I'm grateful for the gift of a new day. Every sunrise fills my heart with hope and appreciation. I'm thankful for the fresh start every morning brings. Each morning, I'm reminded of life's endless possibilities. I cherish the peace and serenity the early hours offer. I'm grateful for the gift of a new day. Every sunrise fills my heart with hope and appreciation. I'm thankful for the fresh start every morning brings. Each morning, I'm reminded of life's endless possibilities. I cherish the peace and serenity the early hours offer. I am grateful for the morning's energizing embrace. Every dawn is a reminder of life's beauty and wonder. I appreciate the quiet moments of reflection each morning offers. I am thankful for the chance to set positive intentions for the day. Each morning's first light fills my heart with joy. Gratitude awakens with me, setting the tone for my day. I cherish the morning rituals that ground and prepare me. I'm grateful for the inspiration each morning brings. Every new day is a testament to life's miracles. I appreciate the morning songs of birds that uplift my spirit. I'm thankful for the opportunities that await me each day. I cherish the lessons and experiences each day promises. I am grateful for the chance to make a difference today. Each morning, I'm reminded of my purpose and potential. I appreciate the morning's gentle reminder to live in the present. I am thankful for the simple joys each morning brings. Every dawn reinforces my faith and trust in life's journey. I am grateful for the morning's invitation to dream and achieve. I cherish the love and warmth that mornings envelop me in. I am thankful for the clarity and focus the morning hours provide. Every morning is a blessing, a gift to be treasured. I am grateful for the morning's promise of growth and discovery. I cherish the beauty and wonder of each new day's beginning. Each morning, I am filled with gratitude for life's abundance. I am grateful for the love I have for myself. I appreciate the journey of self-discovery I'm on. I am thankful for my strength and resilience. Every day, I am grateful for the growth I experience. I appreciate the uniqueness that is me. My heart is full of gratitude for every lesson I learn about myself. I am thankful for my capacity to heal and evolve. Gratitude fills me as I embrace my imperfections. Every day, I am thankful for the love and respect I give myself. I am grateful for the path of self-love I walk on. I appreciate the inner peace and joy self-love brings. My heart is full of gratitude for every moment of self-reflection. Every step of my journey, I am thankful for the self-awareness I gain. I cherish the love and care I shower upon myself. I am grateful for my spirit, drive, and passion. I appreciate my body and all it does for me. Gratitude fills me as I recognize my worth. I am thankful for the courage to be true to myself. Every day, I am grateful for the confidence I have in myself. I cherish the trust I have in my journey and decisions. I appreciate the moments of self-compassion that heal me. I'm thankful for my ability to forgive and love myself unconditionally. Every experience that deepens my self-love fills me with gratitude. I'm grateful for the inner voice that guides me. I appreciate the beauty and complexity of who I am. I'm thankful for the self-acceptance I nurture. I cherish the gentleness and patience I show myself. I'm grateful for my ever-evolving relationship with myself. I appreciate the empowering feeling of self-love that lights up my life. I am grateful for the positive energy that fills my life. Every moment of joy and happiness deepens my appreciation. I am thankful for the positive influences and inspirations around me. Each day, I am reminded of life's beauty and wonder. I cherish the uplifting thoughts and feelings that guide me. I am grateful for the optimism that fuels my spirit. Every smile and laughter reinforces my positive outlook. I appreciate the moments of positivity that brighten my day. I am thankful for the hope and faith that guide me. Each positive affirmation strengthens my belief in good. Gratitude fills me as I focus on the silver linings. I cherish the positive memories and experiences. Every act of kindness and love amplifies my positivity. I appreciate the positive vibrations that uplift my mood. I am thankful for the resilience and tenacity of my spirit. Every day, I choose positivity and happiness. I cherish the positive relationships and bonds I've formed. I'm grateful for the light that positivity brings into my life. Each positive thought propels me towards my dreams. I appreciate the positive energy that flows through me. I am thankful for the positive impact I can make. Every positive word and gesture deepens my gratitude. I am grateful for the opportunity to spread positivity. I cherish the positive mindset that shapes my worldview. I am thankful for the abundance of positivity in my life. Every positive intention sets the tone for my day. I am grateful for the contagious nature of positivity. I cherish the ripple effect of positive actions. Each day I am filled with gratitude for the power of positivity. I am grateful for the beauty and serenity of nature. Every sunrise fills my heart with gratitude. I am thankful for the lessons nature teaches. Every rustling leaf and chirping bird deepens my appreciation. I'm grateful for the peace and calm nature brings. I cherish the changing seasons and the beauty they bring. Every flowing stream and blooming flower fills me with gratitude. I appreciate the wonders and mysteries of nature. I am thankful for the rejuvenating power of nature. Every hike, walk, and moment in nature fills my heart with appreciation. Gratitude fills me as I gaze at the starry skies. I cherish the refreshing rains and the rainbows that follow. I'm thankful for the majestic mountains and vast oceans. Every whisper of the wind and song of the bird deepens my appreciation. I appreciate the diverse flora and fauna of our planet. I am thankful for the healing and therapeutic power of nature. Every sunset fills my heart with gratitude and wonder. I cherish the rhythms and cycles of nature. I am grateful for the natural resources that sustain us. Every moment of solitude in nature deepens my appreciation. I appreciate the vast landscapes and scenic beauty. I am thankful for the adventures and explorations nature offers. Every act of nature, big or small, fills my heart with gratitude. I am grateful for the natural wonders that take my breath away. I appreciate the balance and harmony in nature. I am thankful for the refreshing breezes and warm sun rays. Every fluttering butterfly and buzzing bee fills me with gratitude. I cherish the changing colors of the leaves and the beauty of snow. I am grateful for the natural sanctuaries and the peace they offer. I appreciate the lessons of growth, decay, and rebirth in nature. I am grateful for the divine guidance in my life. Every blessing from above fills my heart with gratitude. I am thankful for the unwavering faith and trust. Every prayer and moment of meditation deepens my appreciation. I am grateful for the divine love and protection. I cherish the miracles and wonders of the divine. Every act of grace and mercy fills me with gratitude. I appreciate the lessons and challenges from the divine. I am thankful for the divine energy that sustains me. Every moment of divine connection fills my heart with appreciation. Gratitude fills me for the spiritual journey I am on. I cherish the divine wisdom and insights. I am thankful for the divine presence in every moment. Every act of kindness and love deepens my appreciation for the divine. I appreciate the divine plan and purpose for my life. I am thankful for the spiritual growth and evolution. Every divine intervention fills my heart with gratitude. I cherish the divine mysteries and revelations. I'm grateful for the spiritual teachings and wisdom. Every moment of divine grace deepens my appreciation. I appreciate the divine love that envelops and uplifts me. I am thankful for the divine light that guides my path. Every prayer answered and unspoken fills my heart with gratitude. I am grateful for the divine peace and serenity. I am thankful for the spiritual connections and bonds. Every divine message and sign fills me with gratitude. I cherish the divine journey and destiny. I am grateful for the divine healing and restoration. I appreciate the divine love and light in every moment. I am grateful for the love and companionship I share. Every moment with my partner fills my heart with gratitude. I am thankful for the mutual respect and understanding in our relationship. Every shared laughter and joy deepens my appreciation for us. I am grateful for the strength of our bond. I cherish the support and encouragement we give each other. Every challenge we overcome together fills me with gratitude. I appreciate the shared dreams and aspirations in our journey. I am thankful for the deep connection and intimacy we share. Every loving gesture and word fills my heart with appreciation. I cherish our shared memories and adventures. I'm thankful for the love that nourishes our bond daily. Every day, I am grateful for our shared growth and evolution. I appreciate the comfort and safety of our relationship. I am thankful for the little moments that make our bond special. Every shared silence and understanding fills me with gratitude. I appreciate our differences and the richness they bring. I am grateful for the vulnerability and trust in our relationship. Every act of kindness and affection deepens my appreciation for us. I cherish the moments of shared dreams and hopes. I'm thankful for our shared journey of love. I'm grateful for the shared passions and interests that enrich our bond. I appreciate the shared responsibilities and teamwork. I'm thankful for the shared values that guide our relationship. Every act of forgiveness and understanding fills me with gratitude. I cherish the joy and happiness we bring into each other's lives. I'm grateful for the shared celebrations and milestones. I appreciate the unspoken bond and deep connection we share. I'm grateful for the love and warmth of my family. I'm thankful for the support and encouragement my family gives. Every shared meal, laughter, and memory deepens my appreciation. I'm grateful for the bonds that tie us together. I cherish the traditions and values passed down in our family. Every celebration and gathering fills me with gratitude. I appreciate the lessons and guidance from my family. I cherish the shared stories and histories of our family. Every day I am grateful for the shared love and joy. I appreciate the roles and responsibilities we play for each other. I am deeply grateful for the gift of good health that allows me to experience life fully. Every heartbeat, every breath, fills me with appreciation for my body's vitality. I am thankful for the strength and resilience my body shows every day. Each morning, I wake up with gratitude for another day of wellness. I cherish my body's natural ability to heal and rejuvenate. I am grateful for the nourishment I receive from the foods I eat. Every step, every movement is a testament to my body's incredible capabilities. I appreciate the moments of rest that rejuvenate my health and spirit. I am thankful for the clarity of mind and the vibrancy of health I enjoy. Each day I celebrate my body's achievements, no matter how big or small. I'm grateful for the knowledge and resources that guide me to better health. I cherish the balance and harmony of a healthy mind, body, and soul. I am thankful for the medical professionals who support and guide my well-being. Every act of self-care amplifies my gratitude for the health I nurture. I appreciate the simple joys that good health allows me to savor. I am grateful for the support system that uplifts my health and wellness journey. Every healing process reinforces my appreciation for my body's resilience. I am thankful for the moments of relaxation that replenish my health. I cherish the positive habits that fortify my health and vitality. I'm grateful for every day that I live free from pain and discomfort. I appreciate the wonders of the human body and its intricate design. I'm thankful for the fresh air that invigorates my health with each breath. Every healthy choice I make fills my heart with gratitude. I'm grateful for the health challenges that have taught me strength and perseverance. I appreciate the restorative power of sleep and its role in my well-being. I am thankful for the moments of activity that energize and strengthen me. Every mindful moment deepens my gratitude for the health of my mind and body. I cherish the gift of sight, sound, taste, touch, and smell that enriches my life. I am grateful for the inner peace that supports my mental and emotional well-being. Each day of good health is a blessing that I cherish and nurture.